So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can very easily remove pretty much any background image from a picture with a person in it. So the way that it works is you just go to canva.com, you can sign up for an account. And in this example, I'm going to be using stock photos, but just so you know, if you want to upload your own photo, you just click on uploads and you can do that right there. So let's just go to Canva and look at some of their stock photos. Let's type in person and see what comes up. And there's a lot of different options here. So let's just do the first one here. And obviously this one should be pretty easy because the background, as you can see, is kind of blurred. But all you would need to do for any image that you want to remove the background for, you just click on the image, click on effects, and then click on where it says background remover. So let's just click on that. And you'll see it's going to automatically remove the background for you. And you don't even have to crop anything. You don't need any editing skills or anything like that. It's just super easy. And there you go. The background is now gone. And they do a pretty good job of actually cropping the image itself. Now, this was a pretty easy image to edit. So let's just do another one, maybe with more of a background. So we've got this one here. Let's do the same thing. So click on the image, click on effects, click on background remover. And there you go. And you can see they've done a really good job, especially when you look at the hair here as well. This will be pretty difficult to do with Photoshop or something like that. But you can see Canva has removed the background very easily. So let's just do one more. Let's do this one here. And let's click on effects, click on background remover. And again, you can see it's removed the background.